Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial by Dr. Techno. Today, I'll show you how to set up your Mac terminal to use Touch ID for sudo commands, so you no longer need to type your password every time. Usually, when you use the sudo command in the terminal, you're asked to enter your password. This can be a hassle, especially if you're working on multiple projects and frequently using commands that require sudo. But, did you know you can speed this up by using your Mac's Touch ID instead? In this video, I'll walk you through how to modify the sudo configuration files so you can use Touch ID, making your workflow faster and more secure. To start, open your terminal and follow the steps I'll show you. I've also included the steps and CLI commands in the description of this video. The first step is to copy the first command and press return. Repeat the same for the second command. As you can see, it will prompt you for your admin password. You must have admin privileges on your device to make these changes. So please enter your password and proceed with the third command and hit enter. When you have entered Pico edit, navigate to the last line where you see #auth and remove the hashtag sign. Save the changes by pressing Ctrl X on the keyboard, then type Y and hit return again. This will save the changes, and now if I close the terminal and reopen it, and try to use the sudo command, it will ask for my Touch ID instead of password, and that's how I save a lots of time and hassle for myself. Thanks again for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and introduce us to your friends and family. Enjoy and have a great day.